What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, went to edit my video that I had all planned out and talked about everything. Come to find out, the GoPro did not record what I needed it to. So, we are going to take the bike to dinner, and we are going to make up for what is lost. Long story short, took the bike to get an oil change today, and I also went ahead and got a new back tire because my back tire had a plug in it, and no, just no. I didn't really mind, riding to work and back on it, once a week. Not a big deal. But going long distances if I needed to, or wanted to go just ride around, really, just kind of have a little bit of fun. I didn't want to risk it, so I said, you know what? Well, it's going to be a couple $100 compared to, medical bills or something even more drastic if something were to happen. So I went ahead and got a new tire, which wasn't bad. The tire was cheaper than I was expecting. A lot cheaper than I was expecting. It was a Dunlop, but I ended up making it, cheaper because it was a little bit older. Not like, oh my god, that's old, but it had been sitting inside on the shelf since last year, and he was like, well, if it was older than a year old, he's like, yeah, I would say get a different tire. Let's order one. I was like, yeah, it's a year old, it's rubber, it's fine. So ended up with the Dunlop tire, a 190 55 17 over a 190 50 17, 50 not 15, sorry. Slightly fatter, but that's okay. Not a big deal. But the oil change was cheaper than I was expecting too, so today turned out to be a pretty good day. Turned out to be a pretty good day. Got to enjoy a nice long ride on the bike. Everything was cheaper than I planned on it being, and yeah, tried filming some extra stuff just in case the weather gets bad, because we've had bad weather here the past couple of weeks. We've had weather that froze over and rain and just some nasty stuff. So figured, why not go ahead and do a little extra just in case weather doesn't turn out to be that good this week and I can't film something for next weekend. Damn, they're busy. Like, really busy. Well, on to the next, I guess. Yeah, let's go somewhere else. Let's go see if the Mexican place that I like open. The Mexican place that I like open. The Mexican food place is open that I like. I forgot about this fucking light. I forgot about this light. So yeah, I figured I'd just give everyone an update. And Well, I'm back home. Well, Not like home, but pretty close. I'm gonna go find a twisty road. Well, we are gonna go find a twisty road. And let's go break in this new tire. Well, alright, before my GoPro wants to give out again, I want to say have a good day. That's the end of the video. And do something spectacular. Do something out of the ordinary. Yeah, we could all go to work, go to school, do what we need to do every day. But do something we don't usually do.